Hey guys, it's Barb here, and I want to give you a really quick demo on Couture. If you have never seen this in action, you are in for a treat. These are our silk screen adhesive back transfers that you can use over and over again. I am just going to peel this off here. And because it's a first time use of this transfer, I'm going to actually do what we call fuzzing it. See how sticky it is? And sometimes it's so sticky at first that you just fuzz it a little with a towel, or we have a fuzzing cloth. You can even put it on your clothes. But this just lessens that adhesive just a little bit so that it won't stretch when you pull it up. Now, as easy as that, I am going to put this on. You can see this matches the surface really beautifully. We have all sorts of surfaces and designs, and I'm just going to scrape this chalk paste all across, just super fast. You could use a bigger squeegee to cover a bigger area, but a small one works too. And I'm just going to scrape the chalk paste down across the design. You scrape it thin. You don't need much at all. And then when you have extra on that squeegee, you just put it back in that jar. Now I am going to just pull this transfer back. And again, since this is a first time use, it is going to be really sticky, but you just slowly pull it back and you have your perfect design. I could never handwrite as well as this, and I could also never make something as quickly as this. That is it, guys. This design is done. Ordinary people can do extraordinary things. I picked this saying because you can be an artist even if you don't feel crafty with this. Check out part 2 on how to wash your transfers.